Los, happy birthday! Stay maganda pa rin. Namiss ka namin. Ang tagal mo na hindi pumunta dito sa palengke. Ang pinakamayamang ninang namin dito sa palengke. Happy birthday!
Ay, Ate Luz, happy birthday. Birthdays to come.
Birthday, Ate Luz.
Happy birthday, Ate Luz.
More birthday to come.
Welcome.
I miss you.
Miss you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Ate Luz, happy birthday. Anong handa? Tagay na tayo. God bless.
Happy birthday, tita. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health and continue to be a good person po. Alam niyo.
Yes! And hi, Tita. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best and wishing you a good health always and more birthdays to come pa po.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Anong gusto mong gift? Oh, pili ka na dyan sa likod. Oh, charis! Happy birthday Tita Amo!
Hi, tita. Happiest birthday. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng mahaba. Pengin akong hikaw.
Hi Tita Luz, happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you for the memories we shared together and thank you for being a mother figure sa aming lahat.
Hi Tita Luz, happy birthday. Wish ko sana always kang healthy and more birthdays to come. Yun na, enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday, Luz. God bless you more. Stay happy, sweet, and friendly. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mami Los! We love you!
Happy birthday,
Tia.
We love you.
Love you.
Auntie Ninang, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. God bless you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ante! More birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon kahit wala na si Lola. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung simulan mo anak buhay, makatulong sa pamilya. Maraming salamat.
Hi Tita Luz! You're now moving forward po, starting a new life, and the only thing that I wish po sa inyo, syempre, good health po, and God bless always. Happy birthday Tita Luz! I love you!
Hello po, Mama Luz. Happy birthday po sa inyo. I wish and pray for you all the best. Good health, long life. Kita-kits po. Love you po.
Hi Mami Luz, I wish you a happy birthday. God knows how you've always been the safe space for your family, your children, your husband, and your friends, especially kay Kuya Dale. Ingat po kayo palagi, Mami Luz. I'll see you soon. God bless po.
Hi Tita Luz, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong at suporta sa amin since day one. I wish you all the best, Tita. God bless you at ang inyong pong pamilya. Happy birthday, Tita Luz.
Hi Ma, happy birthday! Thank you Ma, I'm so beyond grateful for having you in my life. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Alam mo naman yan kung gaano kita kamahal. I love you Mama.
Thank you, Mami Luz. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po ulit. Love you Mama.
Happy birthday ate. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi at good health.
Ate, ang wish ko lang po ay lagi lang wala kayong sakit ni Kuya. Yung mga karamdaman nyo, sana po matanggal na rin. Ingatan po kayo ni Papa God lagi. More blessings ate kasi dami naman po talaga kayo natutulungan. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka namin ate. I love you!
Happy birthday, Auntie Luz. I'll be forever grateful for your kind, gentle, and caring heart. And maraming salamat sa lahat. I love you.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday!
I love you. Thank you for your generosity.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Luz. We celebrate more birthdays come.